Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Canva for making website easy guide. Start by opening Canva and selecting the website template, then choose a layout that fits your goals. Replace placeholder text with concise headlines and short paragraphs, and swap images for your own visuals for instant personalization. Use the site preview and mobile view often to ensure responsiveness, and save iterations so you can compare variations easily. Pick a simple color palette and 1 or 2 font families to keep your site looking polished and professional. Use Canva's grid and align tools to position elements evenly and give your pages breathing room. Focus each section on a single goal, like introducing your service or prompting a contact, and make your primary call to action obvious so visitors know what to do next. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful content. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while designing with the Oala water bottle, which keeps drinks cold and fits cup holders, perfect for long design sessions. I find it handy on my desk and when I work on the go, so check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Before you publish, compress images and use web-friendly formats to keep load times fast for visitors. Fill out page titles and meta descriptions so search engines and social shares show useful information that attracts clicks. Preview the site on desktop and mobile, test all links and forms, and fix any errors. Finally, choose a domain or use Canva's hosting options and publish when you are confident everything works smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.